mean with the InDesign thing?
Yes, please. You want to share your screen?
Hold on a minute.
Yes, Montel, you have to watch your back, you know? You have to take medication.
No one, sir, man. Take care right now. Can't afford to mash up myself no more.
Okay. All right, beautiful. Okay. Um, all right. I, where your mouse is, I want you to highlight it. Zoom it in.
Right here?
Where the text, up, slightly up, slightly up, slightly up, right there, right. I want you to zoom there. All right. Okay, again. Good, beautiful. All right. Now, we are going to do something now. You don't have a paragraph style. Hmm?
Trying to get some here, but
All
I
right,
don't
that's
want
good.
to get mixed up.
No, it's all right. Just any section. Press the space bar, and
Right
then
here.
scrub it. Press the space bar.
Space bar, I did.
Okay, scrub it. I mean, drag it across. No, you're not holding the
Oh,
space bar.
hold on.
Your left hand is supposed to hold the. No, 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 no. Control minus key. Listen up. Control minus.
Mm.
No, 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 no. Click on the document. Click on the document. Yeah. Control 0. On your keyboard, follow my instruct. Control 0. Control 0. That's Control O.
Control
Control
0.
0. Mhm. Good. Control 1. Press Control 1.
One.
Control 2. Control minus.
Control.
Minus again. Control plus. Okay, what you did a while ago, that's ways of how you can magnify or you can bring it up. If you press Control 0, it fit the document. Control 0.
It puts it back to the original state.
Yeah, Control 0. Press Control 0.
Control 0.
All right. You see, that's Control 0, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. I want you to know the middle section, in the middle part of it, I want you to use a magnifying glass. Okay, move it up a little bit. Where you no, no, no. Go to the right. Don't select that. Don't select that. Go to the top one, the top box, the top one, the top corner. No, 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 not there. Within the box, same way.
Within the page.
Yeah, go to the left side, slightly to the right where it starts. Go up beside it, right there. Click, drag, hold it down, and then drag it. Click.
But I'm on the magnifying tool still.
Yeah, yeah. Click, hold it down, and then drag it to the bottom. Right there.
Oh,
Let
down
it
to
go.
the bottom.
No, 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 no. Go up, go up. There. Yes. What
Oh.
happened? Good. So I want you to press the space bar again. Press the space bar on the keyboard, right? Drag, scrub it downward, downward.
Oh.
Excellent. So now I want you to go to the T on the type on the toolbar, and then now pick a paragraph within the box where the question mark start.
Right here.
Highlight it, go the way up. Click.
Up.
Yeah. Click highlight. Beautiful. You understand up to this point. The same thing apply to everybody. I want you to follow. It's not me conducting, but you. Now we are going to go to type. Go to
Type
type.
again.
No. Under the type
Type,
menu,
type. Yeah.
click on it. Paragraph style. Excellent. Now, I want you to create a new paragraph style. Click the plus one, the one at the bottom. Right? Beautiful. Double click on it. Paragraph style one. No. One.
Oh.
That's it.
Oh.
Delete. You can delete the rest. All right. Click number 3 and delete it. Delete it. Click number 2. Delete it. All right. Okay. Double click on that one. Double click on that.
I did. Oh.
Double click. It's come right. Are we together, everybody? Nadia, are we together?
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
Nadia,
Yes,
are you following?
yes, I'm following.
It's not me running the demonstration, Miss Bennett doing it. So, Miss Bennett, go to the style name. Under the style name, the top, right to the right, go to the right side, go to the right hand side, up there. Look where there's a paragraph style 1, we need to name it.
Oh.
Up,
Based
up.
on.
Oh, yeah.
Not see not be. Maybe
Style name.
Mhm.
I have to move something. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
I have to move something there. Yeah.
Name it body. Body.
BODY.
Beautiful. Now, come back to the basic character format. Basic character format. On the left side, basic. Click on that. Excellent. Select the font name. The font name. Select, click on that.
For the family code name.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For the family.
All right. Look for
Mm.
some fonts.
We have to know how them have fun stay.
Select
Yeah.
Platino. Select Platino. Platino.
They will. Oh,
Platino.
Latino.
Palatino. Okay. I want the point size to be, the size to be 10 or 11. 10. 10. All right. The leading or the leading, I need to be 16.
That's the spacing between the line.
Yeah, put it, okay, put it 18 now for now. Put it 18 for now. But 16 is okay. Okay?
You'd have manually type in 16.
Yeah, you could have typed in manual 16. Type it 17 then. Type it 17. All right. So we are not going to trouble the kerning. We are not going to trouble the tracking. Underline stroke, no. Go to the next advanced character format. Okay. We don't need any changes over there. Okay. The baseline shift, we are not going to do it, but we will be doing it sometime. Indents and spacing. We don't need the indent for now. All right. For this time, we don't need it. We can always come back and change it. Go to the tab. Excellent. You see where the first marking, go to the second marking. Click on top of it. No. The second, not in the half. Before the half, the quarter-inch part, the quarter one, come down a bit. Come down. On that line, ruler line, on the top one. Go
right
on the
here?
top one. No, on the top one. Right there. Click there. Excellent. Now, we are going to repeat that setting. Click repeat. What do you see happening? What do you see happening?
It's specific all the
Yes,
other bars.
yes, that is your tab. Now let's go to paragraph rules. All right, we are not going to set the paragraph rules because we are going to have different topic by that. We don't need a border. We don't need a shading. Let's go straight to hyphenation. Hyphenation. Uncheck the hyphenate. What do we mean by hyphenate? When those words that break, we don't need it. Let's go to justification now. Okay, fully justified. No, it's a fully justified. All right, let's click OK for now. Click OK. Beautiful, excellent. Now there's something that it did not give us the fully justified again. Let's go to window, bring control, select control. All right, now I want you to select fully justified on the top right hand corner at the bottom. Top right hand corner. No. On the menu bar on the top, where the top one.
Oh, okay,
right,
okay.
Come right to the bottom. No, the first one at the bottom. No, come back to the first one. Right, that one. Click on that. Click. What happened? What do you see happening? It justify. I want you to right click on the body copy. Right click on that on the body copy.
The one that is highlighted.
Override. Redefine it. Redefine style. Select redefine style. All right, good. So we have redefined it. I want you to create another one. Go to the plus, another body copy. No, come down. Another paragraph style. That's all right. Come to the bottom to the plus one. Right there. Add another bottom. Double click on the paragraph style. That one. That one. Double click on it. You're going to type heading 1. Heading, the paragraph style name. No, not that one. The name. We're going to name heading 1. Okay. Now it's based on the body. We are going to go to paragraph, basic paragraph format. Basic on the left hand side. The left hand side, not there. Basic character format. That one. Now this time we are going to change from 10 to 40. From this point size 40. All right. Select 30 then. Go to 30. Okay. Now change from the style from regular to bold. Bold. Good. And click OK. Click OK. See what happened?
Bold everything.
Control 0. All right. You see what happened? All right. I want you to press Control A. Control A. Okay. Click on the body. Click on the paragraph style. Paragraph style. Click on the body. Body.
This one.
Tell me what happened. All right. Go to the table content, the next box. Double click on that. Select all. Control A. Control A. Go to body. All right. Scrub again, space bar. Press the space bar.
Uh-oh.
Undo, edit, undo. Edit, undo. Alright, press the space bar.
That's what I did, sir.
I'm gonna undo that. Edit, undo. Alright. Now, select outside. Deselect outside now. Anywhere. Good. Go on, press for me, yes, space bar now. Press on it. Don't do anything. Press space bar key.
I'm doing that.
It's not changed yet. On the keyboard, press for me, space bar.
That's what I'm doing. I'm holding it down.
Okay, it's not happening. Click on the select tool, please. The first tool. Okay, click on, press space bar. Good. Drag it, scrub it to right side. Excellent. Everything look okay. All right. Click again. Space bar. All right, move it up. We are trying to see whatever. Up.
Uh-oh. Everything moved. Oh.
Okay. I'll let it go. All right. Based on what you have seen, have you identified any problem? Anybody identify any problem?
In terms of the text, sir.
Yes.
Or so like the problem would is that it fall outside of the columns them or
Beautiful. Excellent. That's what I'm asking. Let us rearrange it. So can you move that to fix it in? Click on the text. All right. Click on the text box. That's it. No, that's fine. Click on the move. Click on the move. Okay, click there. Click. All right, something not happening. All right, go to the move tool, the first one. All right, click on that. Move it. Excellent. No. Line it up with the guide. With the guide. All right. Make sure it fall within the purple. All right, check it if there's anything. All right, do the next one, the next column. The next column. Good. All right. All right. Here, what we do. Okay, I have an idea. I like what we did. The paragraph style is there. I want you to click delete, press delete key. Press delete key. Press delete. Keep on press delete. Delete everything. Control A.
Oh, delete.
Press
Everything?
Control A. Press delete. Beautiful. Go to page 2. Double click on page 2. See page 2? There. Double click on it. Excellent. Do you have any pictures that the one you place, you have them in a folder?
Yes, sir.
All right, go to file, please. File, please come down. I want you to hold on the shift key, select shift, press shift key, click,
Shift.
click. Click. Yeah, beautiful. Click open now. All right. How many pictures you have there?
We have about 6 or so.
No, 7.
But I'm seeing. Okay.
7.
I'm seeing only one.
Anyone see 7?
yes, sir,
Yes.
right on the picture, right beside the
Okay.
small
Oh, yes,
icon
yes.
in the bracket.
I want you on the keyboard, the up and down arrow. Listen to me, follow my instruction.
Yes.
On the up and down arrow, press on it.
Which one?
On the key, the up, the direction up, down, left, right. Click on it.
Yes, sir.
Any
Which
one
one
of-
of them? Okay.
Anyone.
Press the up one.
Oh, for me up button no work.
All right. Press again. Okay, tell me what is happening.
It's cycling through the different pictures, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Now hold it there. Okay. Now I want you to follow my instruction carefully. All right. I want you to listen. You are going to drag slightly outside of the page and then hold it down and keep on expanding it. Outside of the pasteboard.
On the gray area.
Yes. Drag it in. Don't let it go. Click, hold it down, drag it. Keep on dragging now. Keep on dragging. Don't be afraid. Again. Right there. Let it go. Okay. Now press the space bar. Space bar.
Hold it down or press it.
Hold it down. Now scrub it to the right. I mean to the left. Right there. Good. Let it go. Let go the space bar now.
Yes, sir.
Right. Scrub through the pictures. Navigate through it. So we need to pick up the pictures.
Up or down.
Yeah, that one. Now we are going to drop it dead center from the top part, the top of the page. Right there. We need to fill up that half a page there. Click, hold it down. Drag it. Right there. Okay, excellent. Now let's select the picture again. Select another pictures. Excellent.
Oh.
That one. And now slightly off the page to the bottom right corner. Right, take the two column. Take the two column from the bottom right hand corner. The bottom right hand corner. You are perfect. Don't do anything yet. Not undo. Now bring it to the second column.
This one.
Move it to the left. To the left side.
This side.
Right there. There. Okay. Line it up with those line. With those line there, miss. Go
This
to the
one?
right there. Excellent. Now we are going to fit it right at the bottom there. Drag it. Make it full
In
of drag. Yeah, keep on dragging it. Don't keep on dragging it. Drag it. Drag it. Right there. Let it go. Excellent. Now let's go to the next page. Press the space bar. Space bar. Follow my instruction, please. Move it up.
Yes, sir.
Move it up. No, don't move any of those things. Right, move that one up. Excellent. Up. Again, keep on moving it up. Yeah. All right. All right. Now let it go. Let it go now. Your hand, okay. I want you to drop that picture there to fill it up as big as possible. In the middle.
Up here.
No. In the middle. Right there. All right, there we go. All right, good. Scrub, let's see what other pictures you have. Up and down arrow. Okay. Go again. Not that one. Right, that one. Now we want to drop an inset there. Slide that inset. No. Right there. Come all the way down. Drag it. Drag that all the way down. Don't stop. Right there. Let it go. Good. Now I want you to press Control 0. Control 0. Control 0.
So I have Control 0. Control 0. Good. That's what we want, sir.
Yeah. Go to page 1. I mean page 2. All right. There. Go to the right. select the first tool. Select the first tool, the move tool, please. Select it for me. All right, scroll it. I need to see the left side. Beautiful. Press W for me. Okay, we have an idea, right? Press W again. Excellent. So what we are going to do now, I want you to go to the T. Now slightly at the bottom there, we are going to take the two columns from the left hand side, click, hold it down, and follow my instruction. Drag it, cover the two column, please. The two column. Right there. Let it go. Go to type. Fill with a placeholder text. Fill with a placeholder text. Excellent. Go to the move tool. Go to the move tool. All right. You see that box at the bottom there? Just click on it. Excellent. I want you to create a text box beside it there. Line it up. Line that text box.
Within the one column?
Yes. Fill it right there. Make it touch the green guide. Come down.
Is the center line?
Line it up with the bottom one, please. Come down a little bit. Make sure it line up with the purple right there. Excellent. There. Let it go. Go to text. Type. Fill with the placeholder text. Go to
Type.
Yes. Placeholder text. Excellent. Now, I want you to go to that box again. Click on it. Now we are going to take that one column. All right, let's take the whole of that three column. Click on that. Right there. Excellent. Do it again. Go to the placeholder. Excellent. Go to that box again. Excellent.
Oh, that's why you continue.
Yeah, you want the text to flow right there. Fill it up. Do the same thing, please. Go to type. Fill with the
Make sure
placeholder. Now, I want you to scroll, click, all right, press a space bar.
space bar.
Up, drag it up, pull it up. Excellent, stop there. All right, before we can do anything, we need to delete that text box there. Click on that text box on the right hand, delete it. Press delete. Do the same with that one.
All these.
Right. All right. Press the space bar again. Space bar. Pull it downward. Down. 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 You see that red thing, that red box beside it? That text box? You see the text box on the next page?
Yes,
Click on that. You didn't click it yet. Not yet. Go back and click on it. Click on it. Click on it. Click inside it. Click on it. Yes. You see it now?
Yes, sir.
You see the difference? I want
So
you
it
to
picks up.
I want you to take those two columns. The two column all the way down.
To the bottom.
Yes. Keep on dragging it to the bottom. It's going to move by itself. Right. Right, pull it. All right, go and fill it with the text now. Excellent. I want you to go to page 2. Go to page 2. Beautiful, there you are. Select on the first text column. Select all. Select all, Control A. Control A.
No, it doesn't.
Double click on it. Okay, Control A, Control A. All right. All right. Go onto the paragraph style and see what a press from the body.
Sun body.
What did you do? Cancel that. Cancel it. At the bottom, click cancel.
Oh,
We cancel it.
Right. Okay. Good. That's it. Take a look what you have there on your paragraph. Deselect it. Deselect. Click outside. Click outside now. All right. Press for me W. All right. Take a what? Tell me now. What do you see?
writing a story.
All right. Because if you look close to the pictures on the top, on the right hand side, the text box is touching it. So I want you to press W. Press for me W. All right. I want you to go to the move tool, the first tool, the move tool. All right. Click on that text box. On the text box. You see that dots? Move it down a bit. Move it down. Right there. Let it go. Excellent. Do the same with the second column. The second column, not on the left hand side. The left hand side, the second column. Right. Line it up. Excellent. Down, right there. Press W. Okay. I want. All right. Click OK. No. Click W. Everybody follow me. The next step. Now let's try to extend the picture box to that column there, on the one on the left hand side.
This one.
Yeah. Extend that box. All right. Excellent. Let it go there. Now, you notice we need everything to be fitted in. Click on that inside box. Click on the picture there. All right. Everybody pay attention here and follow me. All right. Control Shift and fit into.
And
Control Shift fit. Control Shift and F. Control Shift and F. Control. No, just okay.
oh, okay.
Control Shift and F. Control Shift.
And if. And if.
I do that and nothing happens. Control Shift.
All right, right click on,
And the letter F. Hold down the three of them one time.
Yeah, man, me hold on the three of them one time.
right click for me. The moment you start to um, follow it, doing it, don't get intimidated by mistakes. Everything will come in place. Everything will be okay. You're doing fine.
Okay.
You understand? Remember
Okay.
what we have done now. All right?
Yeah, that is a challenge.
It's not a challenge. Everything is okay. Um,
Okay.
I want you to right click, control right click. Look where it says fit into fitting. All right? Fit frame proportionately. All right. Select that. All right. Good. Now click outside again. All right, that's proportionate enough. Press W. Talk to me. What is your observation? What have you seen?
Pictures fit okay. They're lined up
You see
properly.
where it off the paste line? You don't see it. Press W again.
Sir, I didn't hear that.
Press W again. You notice where the page and the image bleed out. If you press W, you don't see it. Look on the left
Yeah, man,
side.
sir, get cut off, man. Like
Press W. Press it again.
Oh, you mean where the picture goes off the page?
Yeah, you don't see it.
It cuts it off.
Yeah. Now, I want you to do the same thing that we did with the pictures at the bottom. Select the one at the bottom, the man dropping out. Right click and go to the fitting. All right. Or we can select again, right click. All right, no, fix the box now. Move the box up, click on that box. Move that, click the middle points, the middle point, the middle one. Come down. No, the middle one. Right that, yeah. Pull it up, right there. All right, right click now. Fitting. Fit the content to the frame. Select fit the content to the frame.
Why would you choose this one now, sir?
Yeah, fit the content to the frame because we want to see everything.
Okay.
All right, that's it. That's the content. All right, press W. All right, with whatever you have learned so far, you can do the same thing to the rest of the page. There's one thing that you need to, okay, stop there. All right, press W for me. Click on that pictures. Press W.
This one? This one?
The left side. Click on that frame. Move on that box a little bit. That the middle box. The middle box. The middle dots. The middle dots on the top. The top one. Right, move it down a bit. Pull it down. Pull it right there. Okay. See what happened? Okay, it cropped the box. I want you to select the text box. The text. Create a text box there, big. Excellent. Okay, let's type chapter 1. Type chapter 1. Highlight it. Now go to heading 1. Heading on the paragraph style. Heading 1. Heading 1. Click on it. See what size is it?
Oh.
We can center that. Click center. on right. Beautiful. Press uncheck that and press W. Press W. Good. You can move the box down a little bit. Go to the move tool. The move tool. All right. Click on that box. That one. Click on it. No, click on it. All right. Narrow it down. Narrow that box. Right. And pull it down. Click. Move it down. Down again. Down. Beautiful. There. Press W. W. Deselect that. Talk to me now.
Yeah. Looks good.
Good. Save that. Nadia, pull up your own. Nadia, ready? Nadia,
Yes.
are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Gotta get out of here.
So, Ms. Bonner, that's how you're supposed to do the rest of the page like that, and then you make on your design. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Don't
Stop sharing.
don't get so intimidated. That's the way to go. All right.
Thank you.
Nadia,
Yeah.
share the screen.
All right. You see, Miss?
It's coming up.
Oh.
Montel,
Yes, sir.
you have your SketchUp up?
Yeah, the sketch of waiting. We're on the part where we select what template to use and such.
Okay, good. Because when I finish this, then you can take over.
Yeah, man, sir.
You know, come up yet.
Not yet.
You know, come up yet.
Not yet. Not yet.
Oh. Oh, God.
Try sharing again.
Huh?
I'm asking if she wants to try sharing again.
Okay.
Okay.
Nadia, you want to share it again?
May click stop share, but no. You can't deal with the laptop here, you know. It just slow.
Yeah, it's there now. Okay. Go to page 2. Beautiful.
My page 2 is
Yeah, that's all right. Double click on it. Double click on page 2. All right. All right, how do we start it? Excellent. Let's see. Control 2 for me.
what you they see? Me no know. What? Yes, is
Control 2. All right. Control minus. Minus again. Control minus. Nadia. Control minus. Nadia, you there? Anyone is there? Montel?
Yes, sir, I'm here. I'm here.
So
I
it look
don't know.
like the
Maybe our
computer now
computer
work with her.
freeze. Yeah, maybe it
Yeah, it look
freeze.
like it now work with her, sir.
Anyone who want to take over? Okay. All right, good. Anyone with a problem?
Hold on. What's the problem? Didn't I have this inside? Sir, you ever have situations where you put a text in and then you close it, you save it and close it, and you open it back and it disappears? You understand? I find that happening with my stuff.
I don't know. I really don't. All kind of thing happened in my life, yeah.
Is that what
Sometimes what
it's
happens?
saying?
Sometimes what happens is that the file,
Yeah.
the save that you're getting is the previous save file of the auto save versus the one that sometimes it gets overwritten. So the text that you had in disappears because you're getting a previous save file. It tends to happen on slower laptops, whereas
No, but this not so. I don't understand.
the reason why I'm saying slower laptop is you might have the basic minimum specs to use a program,
All right.
but it's
I'm
not
going to
the
share the
recommended specs.
I'm going to share the screen. Then from there, I'll pass it to Mantel. Okay, Mantel, get standby because
Come on, sir, on standby.
I noticed some. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
All right, because I noticed people in my host them moving up and down. It seems that they're very hungry. So, all right, let me see if I can bring it up. Where's this thing? All right. All right. Okay. All right. Montel, this is the 2022.
Yeah, man, sir, we have it up and stuff and ready.
You have 2022?
Yes, sir.
2020 or 2022? Which one?
The one you're using, sir, I think it's the 2022. I just downloaded it because, you know,
Okay,
it's
good.
the new laptop, so I had to get over everything.
All right, everybody. I'll give a quick rundown, then Mantel, I'll give Mantel to take over, all right? Mantel, at the same time, you chip it in, okay?
Yeah, man, sir, no problem.
Is that a new software, sir?
Yes.
Yes,
We
SketchUp.
are going to do some building here.
Yes.
Did I press record?
Yes, it's a.
Seem like my thing not work out.
Okay, don't worry about it. We can continue that. All right. SketchUp. Google SketchUp.
I need a refresher.
Google SketchUp is very powerful in a sense that it looks simple, but it's so powerful. The reason why it's so powerful, it supports so many file systems. You can take Google SketchUp files into any of the 3D or the 4D program. People use SketchUp for layouts, many other things. People are using it for carpentry, architectural, and you name it, all of that. You can transfer the files though. It has the most powerful engine. It works on axis, X, Y, and Z axis, right? You can navigate where you want it, you can move it. You have a pointer, you can get rid of that. You don't want to let it be standing there all the time. The simple tools, like what we did before, we can select the basic shapes like that. What do we have?
A square.
All right, do we have a square?
And then we can go ahead and pull it up like that.
Yep. and turn it
Wow.
into a
and
cube.
then we can move around it. See? Okay, we can again
Sir, what's the tool you use to move it again? The move?
the push and pull, right?
Okay.
Is a push and pull. What did I do? I created that basic one, and then we can select. We can then what?
Sorry for
Push.
interrupting. What is this software called?
SketchUp.
Okay, SketchUp. This is what Mantel used to get this thing done.
What thing?
This building.
Okay.
You see all of this beautiful
Oh, that's
stuff.
nice. Great job, Monto.
So Mantel
Thank
is
you.
going to teach for you in order to be able to do. But before you can get something done, you need to understand the basic tool, the basic concept. You can move around. You can expand it. You can select that portion and then what? Push,
Push and pull.
push and pull. You can also look around,
Orbit tool or presser.
and if you have done your stuff, you can walk around it. So you can walk through it. So in that case, I'm going to let Montel take you through his project, and then he's going to walk through to you guys from the start, and then we'll stop by 10:15 because I need to start feel hungry. 10:15 we stop. All right.
Okay, guys, welcome to the exciting round. This is the part you'll probably be addicted to. Well, let me share my screen. All right, let me know when everyone can see the screen.
Yeah, this is the 2022 year.
I can see.
Yes, software.
Sir,
All right, great. So at the beginning here, you see different templates. Each template is for different structures, meaning that they have different mathematical formulas behind them. The one we tend to go with would usually be the first one, which is simple inches and feet. If you want meters and the other measurements, they're there, but simple and feet would be best for beginners. It's easier and better comprehensible. Let me select that. This thing is stopped. All right, let me just park that. Okay, so let me share back my
Who is
screen.
Amaya?
Okay, great.
Amaya?
All right, everyone seen?
Who is Amaya?
Let me see.
Who is Amaya? Nadia,
Yeah,
Amaya is one of your students?
no. Unless you come in using Amaya's device.
Who is Amaya?
she went off.
Fast, then come in, come fast.
Yeah. What's wrong with people?
Oh, they get the entrance ticket. Oh, they get the key.
No man, I want student something, then just curious and click pan.
Oh,
And that would just sign them in. All right, so in this regards, let me just move this up. So once you click that, you'll have the basic template as Mr. Umar showed a while ago. You have the x-axis, the y-axis, and the z-axis. It comes with this cutout cardboard of a human. What I tend to do is I tend to like to set my area first. So I'm going to go through a bit of the tools. Let me go on window. Let me go on preferences, the general. Where's the big tool? No, tools. Yes. Where's the big one? The big one. No, tape. All of this is set up a whole lot different, but it should be somewhere here. Default tray, okay. High tray. But that's the outline. Anyways, so up here we have our basic tools that we tend to use. We have the scale tool. That will be taught a little bit later. What we're going to do is just go through the basics now. So the basic essence of SketchUp is using simple shapes and creating a 3D format from them, right? It is simple as push and pull. Mr. Omal might have taught that. So here we have the shapes. We have our, as you can see, it's selected with the pencil icon there. We tend to always want to start from the origin, which is where all points meet. You will have everything on a pretty much linear plane. As you can see when drawing, let me go about this. Okay. All right. So as you can see, you can, when you select that, you can move from any axis. So you have the green axis right here, which is supposed to be the y-axis. The red line is the x-axis, and the blue line is the z-axis.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah. So what happened is that when you're doing, and you should pay attention to these lines, because you will have issues if you don't pay attention to which axis you're drawing your lines on. So right, I drawed a simple square there. So we're going to, okay, let me do that. Yeah. So let me draw a simple box. So here we have the simple square rectangle. Yeah, it's a rectangle. Right there, you basically have a flat surface, right? It's not 3D in any point of view. What you want to do, we want to make it 3D. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our push and pull tool. So up here, you can see where it is, up here, push and pull, right? When you click that, you have to highlight the surface. So seeing as that it is a flat surface, it is highlighted when you see it turns gray. You click, you pull, you click again to unselect or deselect. This is your orbit tool right here. As you can see, it has both the red and the green arrows going around. You click and you can go around your drawing. Everyone get that so far?
What did you get that?
All right, so
Like, look to it. How do you get
All right.
that?
So let me go back again. So here we draw a simple rectangle, right? So you see it is flat. There's no 3D form to it. So you go up to the top here and you'll select your push/pull tool, which is this one. Then once you go, you select the surface you want to push or pull. You can indicate this by being gray with the dots on it. So it's not selected, it's selected. So what you do next is you click on the surface, you pull up with the push or pull tool, and you release. And that's how you get the 3D surface.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah. All right. So with that now.
So if
Up here-
you so if you want to go down, you can go down with it. Put like
Yep.
okay.
So let me push and pull down.
Oh.
So yeah, you realize that it's underground now versus above ground.
The basement.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you can indicate this by using the axes. So now you're saying that the x-axis and the y-axis would indicate ground level, and the z-axis going up would indicate the height. So now you're seeing that it is basically a basement. It's underground versus before it was above ground. Let me pull it up again. So you see the difference now. So it is above ground. You can use the little guy here as an indicator to show that one, it's under his feet versus above. right? So now
Yeah.
we got the basic understanding of how to create 3D shapes in SketchUp, right? So you're wondering, it's a solid shape. How can we get inside, right? Seeing as that we're going to build houses, seeing as that we have about 15 minutes left, I'm going to tell you more about the other tools, and then we're just going to do a quick mock-up of how you can create a room before we go to full scale creating a house. All right. So now right here, you have the orbit tool. It helps you to look around. So you circle around the object. You can find this tool by up here in the toolbox. It will show you right there. It says orbit right beside the paint bucket tool, right? You have other tools such as the eraser tool, which you can use to erase a line. People, be careful when erasing lines. These are things that will happen, and this will make or break your design. Right here, we have the line tool. And as it says, it creates a line, right? So you see where we erased the line before, and I redrew that line. Let me go over it again.
Okay, so could you like undo that erase part?
You can.
Instead of drawing the line again.
You can, but there will be instances when you're creating the house where you realize that the line has gone missing, or you've accidentally erased a wall. You cannot simply undo, or you'll risk undoing all the work, which you don't want. Sometimes you might be way in the middle of doing something and you don't even realize that you've erased a line to erase a wall, and then you're not sure at which point you did that, so you can't simply just undo. Whereas if it was something tedious you were doing before and you haven't realized it until the end, so once you do that, what are you going to do? Undo all of the work that you've done before, or you'd simply try to recreate a new wall?
Yeah, recreate a new wall.
Exactly. So this line tool would be a powerful tool. All right. So you're going to meet upon multiple instances while creating where you erase the line by mistake, and it will throw your design in total disarray. So that's why it's best to learn about the tools beforehand before getting in. But I will show you guys the easiest way and less confusing way to get a design done in terms of a house, right? So we've learned about the line tool. Right here we have the arc tool. So we select one point here, we select this other point, and then we can pull up. So as you can see with the blue line here, it's indicating that I am on the Z axis, so it's going up. And then the green line shows that I'm on the Y axis, right? So you can use the color of the lines to indicate where you're at. So there we go. If you realize, it is up, right? It is following the path of the Z axis. Versus if we go to the green one, right? You realize that it is flat on the surface, right? So it follows the path of the Y axis. With this now, if you want, when you create a line to separate areas, you realize that this is two different surfaces, right? So you realize that I can highlight the arc by itself versus the rest of the shape by itself. So lines separate surfaces in SketchUp. That is a very important rule. So if you're going to place a line down on a wall, remember it will separate the surfaces. That is how you can literally place two different paint, or you can separate the surface to simply push and pull. So you see before it was one solid shape before, and I drew the arc on it and it separates the surface. So that's how we can pull this and leave the rest of it intact. So another example to show where lines separate surfaces. So I will use this. So SketchUp actually shows you the midpoint between the surfaces. So if you have a square, it will show you the midpoint between that. Right here, you see we're drawing on the x-axis. You see the red line there. So once you're on a one of the axes, it's going to be perfectly straight, even if it doesn't look straight. And trust me, you're going to meet upon instances where it doesn't look straight, but trust in the lines, it will be perfectly straight. All right. So with this, you guys seen I have cut this in half, right? With this now, you realize that the program recognizes this as two different or two separate surfaces. Are you guys with me?
Yep.
Okay.
I can see it.
Yes.
Great. So because it's two separate surfaces now, we can literally push this and we can leave this. We can pull here and we can leave that there. So you realize how surfaces.
After this, you hear?
Sure.
Yes, I'm going out after this. Okay, when we're ready.
All right. So you guys see how lines are powerful. Now, sometimes you might have a line, and this is what happened when you don't perfectly align everything in SketchUp. So right here you see there is actually a gap right here. It's not perfectly lined up, right? Are you guys seeing?
Yeah.
So when you zoom out, sometimes when you're working, when you zoom out, right, it will look like a line. And most time you'll say, oh, where did this line come from? And you'll take your eraser tool and you'll do that. And you'll end up with something like this, right? And trust me, it happens a lot. This is a current occurrence in SketchUp. While I was learning, I did this a lot. With SketchUp, you have to work from a distance and you have to go in. So usually if you see something like this, it's easy. You can undo this, right? And what you do, you just pull and then you match it. Sometimes it's a tedious work to match everything. There you go. And then once everything, and sometimes it will snap into place. Once you do that, you can do this and all the surface will be intact, right? So you guys with me so far?
This one.
All right. So now we understand the basic concept of pushing and pulling, right?
Yeah, so far. Yeah.
All right. So the most common tools you guys will be using would be the push and pull tool. So you can indicate it by the square here with the arrow pointing up, right? You'll be using the shapes tool, which is indicated by the diagonal red line here and the square. You'll be using the eraser tool right here, which is, you know, the big rubber. You'll have the line tools. These are your common tools that you'll be using a lot. And you'll also be using your orbit tool. So you can look around your work once you've done that.
All right,
So
Markel, tell them how to download the software. You have 5 minutes, and then we call
Yes,
it a day.
please.
So in order to download that, let me just move this. So you'll go to Google, you'll type in SketchUp, right? Once you type in SketchUp, it will be right here at the top, SketchUp 3D Design Software. So instead of going on the website, the easiest way is to click download SketchUp for free right here, and it will take you to this part. Pay attention to the tabs up here. For this, you can just select higher education and click start free trial, and it will walk you through the rest, and you'll just download, you'll get to download the software. Setup is quite simple and easy, and this is how you'd be able to get it. So let me go to start free trial to give you guys an idea of what it will say.
Because that
You
one
can
will
put
give
the
you
link in the chat. Put the link in the chat so we can simply just.
We'll send it on Zoom here.
Yeah, right here, so in Zoom.
All right, let me go ahead and let me paste it in the chat.
So
there you go.
So after the 30-day trial,
I
they're
might
going to
not.
shut us for
No,
like we're
use
no
that
longer
one.
going to be able to use it.
I'll try
We
to.
will sort.
I'll
We'll
try to
get it
post the
sorted.
full version.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll give you the
Yeah. So
full
this.
version.
So we'll get. This is just for today, so you can get a basic understanding of the tool.
And fiddle with
Once
it.
you download, you can play around with it.
Tell them
Seeing
that
as I have like, it's very addictive, people, because when I started with this,
Yes,
I
it
spent
is.
like 3 days,
straight.
right? No
It's
sleep.
kind of familiar to AutoCAD. Are you
Yes.
familiar with AutoCAD? Yeah.
Yes, I've used
Like
AutoCAD. I've used Revit. I've used a lot of these programs, so I know. And you can
Okay.
freely move around those files into SketchUp
It's
also.
addictive.
Oh.
Bad.
It's like the easier version of AutoCAD.
Yep. And trust me, you'll love it. All right, guys. So with this, I'm just doing a quick mock-up of what a house would look like. What I do is that when I started, I did not know about blueprints. So what we do is that I tend to do like a simple blueprint. I lay out certain rooms. And with this, all right, and we'll have a hallway right here. Yep. And that will be a bathroom. And then what I will do, guys, I will literally just zoom in, create a line here. See, we're on the axis to separate everything there. We'll use the eraser tool to take out these lines so that everything will flow perfectly. All right.
So
Let
those spaces between the shape, that those would be the thickness of the wall.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah,
Okay.
most likely.
Definitely the thickness of the wall. So let me zoom in, bring this here. So this is just a rough sketch of everything. Let me erase this here. Let me get rid of this. Yep. All right. H. All right.
You're going to run into slight trouble with the other one, that piece there.
Yeah, man, sir. Like,
Okay.
me say all of this.
Yeah.
So what I'm doing here is, see, guys, this is where zooming in takes precedence, because this will
You have
happen.
only 1 minute.
Come on,
And-
sure. So basically, we have all of this. Then you literally push,
And pull.
and you'll see basically you have a room right there, minus the solid right here. But you know, seeing as
Wow.
it's 1 minute, yeah. So you basically have your house plan.
All right, less than a minute.
So that
We'll
means
meet
this
next
might
week.
can be your own host from this.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
All right, less than a minute. The thing will disappear at any time. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys next week. Montel, thank you a lot.
No
And
problem,
I
sir.
pray
We'll
and
try
hope
to be
that
here
you
next
listen.
week.
Okay.
Yes, sir. All right, sir.
All right.
Everybody in the WhatsApp group will have a talk about this some more.
Okay.
I'm not in the WhatsApp group.
Alright, I'll reach out to you if I have any
All right,
more
reach out to
questions.
me. My number is in the WhatsApp group. You're not in it?
Yeah.
No. I guess whoever's I got Mr. O'Malley and I have you're not in the group, you can.
I don't have it. I don't have that.
Oh.
All right. I'll see you guys.
All right.
Okay.
Nadia, bye-bye.
Yeah, everyone take care.
Bye.
Nadia, if anything, you
Alright,
collect their
thank
numbers
you.
and they know you